Hello everyone, welcome back to MTL Box Breaks. As you could see, it is Friday, July the 26th, and it is 2:21 p.m. Eastern Time. 10:21, sorry. Alright, so it's now time to do break number 210, which is my first break of Upper Deck Series 2 2011-12. It's a brand new box, as you could see. Let's hope that we could see the serial number faster than the previous videos. There you go. NE163203649. Alright, so wish you guys good luck. I already opened like 6 boxes like this, but I didn't do a video. I opened them for me. This one is for you guys. So we have 6 packs. And 6 is 12. And 6, 18. And 6, 24. Empty box. Alright, so good luck again. Base. Checklist. This one will be random. Between the Nashville Predators, the LA Kings, and the Minnesota Wild. Base. Hockey Heroes, 1960s. Alex Del Vecchio for the Detroit Red Wings. Just move the random one. Victory for the Colorado Avalanche, Jean-Sébastien Giguère. Base. Base. MVP for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Jeff Carter. Victory Rookie For the New York Islanders, Calvin DeHaan. UD game jersey for the Colorado Avalanche, Semyon Varlamov. Victory insert for the Philadelphia Flyers, Ilya Brizgalov. Young Guns for the New York Islanders, Anders Nilsson. UD Canvas for the Pittsburgh Penguins. No, for the Philadelphia Flyers, Maxime Talbot. Base, and base. Base, base. Victory insert for the Minnesota Wild, Danny Hitley. We have a UD exclusive, Alexander Burmistrov for the Winnipeg Jets. This card is numbered out of 100. Base. Young Guns for Detroit Red Wings, Gustav Enquist. Base. Young Guns for the Washington Capitals, Dmitry Orlov. UD Canvas for the Toronto Maple Leafs, James Reimer. Victory Rookie, Anton Lander for the Edmonton Oilers. Victory rookie for the Ottawa Senators, Mika Zibanejad. OPC marquee rookie, Brett Connelly for the Tampa Bay Lightning. MVP rookie, Zach Cassian for the Buffalo Sabres. OPC insert for the Washington Capitals, Thomas Vukun. Rookie materials for the Montreal Canadiens, Aaron Palushai. Victory rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Colton Tubert. Victory insert for the Winnipeg Jets, Dustin Byfuglien. OPC insert for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Jeff Carter. Young Guns, UD Canvas for the Ottawa Senators, Colin Greening. Victory insert for the Buffalo Sabres, Billy Leno. Base, base, and base. Young Guns for the Philadelphia Flyers, Kevin Marshall. MVP for the Washington Capitals, Thomas Vokoun. So we have like 6 packs left. Victory insert for the Toronto Maple Leafs, John Michael Lyles. Young Guns for the Washington Capitals, Cody Aiken. Excuse me. Base. Base. UD Canvas for Tampa Bay Lightning, Steve Downey. Victory rookie, Cody Aiken for the Washington Capitals. Jeremy Jagger for the Philadelphia Flyers. Two packs left. Young Guns for the Detroit Red Wings, Brendan Smith. Hockey Heroes for the Montreal Canadiens, Gump Worsley. Last pack. Base. Victory rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Leonard Petrell. Alright, so that's it for this break. So let's do this random before I forget. Alright, so it's Nashville, Los Angeles, and Minnesota. Alright, so just move this. Alright, so as you could see, I wrote each team 2 times. So I will run them 3 times and the first team on top will take the card. So let's start random number 1. Random number 2. And the winner will be Minnesota. So you could see the 2 for 6 teams. Well, 3 teams times 2. And I have run them 3 times. So the winner is Minnesota. Alright, so in this break we got checklist for Minnesota, Leonard Patrell for the Edmonton Oilers, Gump Worsley for the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Smith for Detroit Red Wings, Jeremy Jagger for the Philadelphia Flyers, Cody Aiken for the Washington Capitals, Steve Downey for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Cody Aiken for the Washington Capitals, John Michael Lyles for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Thomas Bukun for the Washington Capitals, Kevin Marshall for the Philadelphia Flyers, Billy Leno for the Buffalo Sabres, Colin Greening for the Ottawa Senators, Jeff Carter for Columbus, Dustin Byfuglien for the Winnipeg Jets, Colton Tubert for the Edmonton Oilers, Aaron Palushai for the Montreal Canadiens, Thomas Bukun for the Capitals, Zach Cassian for the Buffalo Sabres, Brett Connelly for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Mika Zibanejad for the Ottawa Senators, Anton Lander for the Edmonton Oilers, James Reimer for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Dmitry Orlov for the Capitals, Gustav Enquist for the Detroit Red Wings, Alexander Burmistrov for the Winnipeg Jets, Danny Hitley for the Minnesota Wild, Maxime Talbot for the Philadelphia Flyers, Anders Nielsen for the New York Islanders, Ilya Brizgalov for Philadelphia, Semyon Varlamov for the Colorado Avalanche, Calvin Dehan for the New York Islanders, Jeff Carter for Columbus, Jean-Sébastien Giguère for the Colorado Avalanche, Alex Delvecchio for the Red Wings, Alright, so that's it for this break of UD 2011-12 Series 2. I hope that you enjoyed and that you also got good hits. I would check these cards after the break to make sure that there's no hits in here. I would like to invite you to check out my new Facebook page under MTL Box Breaks. I will be posting pictures of the breaks, previous breaks, and also videos and other things as new break times and things like that. And I hope you come and check it out. And I also have another break of Upper Deck Series 2 2011-12 going on tomorrow. It's break number 212. And that's it, and hope to see you on next breaks, and thank you very much.